Here's what you'll need for my Sichuan pepper chicken wings. And chicken wings, of course. For the spices, you're going to need some Sichuan pepper powder, lemon powder. If you haven't got lemon powder, just use freshly cracked black pepper. Garlic powder, some honey, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil. If you haven't got sesame oil, just use whatever veg oil you've got. Sweet chilli sauce and some rice wine vinegar. Again, if you haven't got rice wine vinegar, just use white wine vinegar. First thing I like to do is just give your chicken wings a rinse in some warm water. Try not to splash the water all over your kitchen, but just give them a rinse. Just gets off any little bits and impurities that we don't want. With your chicken wings ready, time to make up the marinade. So, into a bowl, going with a tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of oyster sauce, same with your soy sauce, and your sesame or veg oil, 2 tablespoons of your sweet chilli sauce, rice wine vinegar, another tablespoon, and then a teaspoon of your garlic powder, a teaspoon of your lemon or black pepper, and then a couple of tablespoons of your Sichuan pepper powder. Get these all mixed together and then put them to one side. Put your chicken wings into an oven-proof dish, and then it's on with your marinade sauce. And then it's time to get your hands dirty and get that rubbed in all over your chicken wings. Then that wants to go in the fridge for half an hour, just to let those flavours get into your chicken. When they've had half an hour in the fridge, time to pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for half an hour. When they've had half an hour in the oven and they come out looking like dirty chicken, it's time to get them onto a plate, but don't forget the juices at the bottom. When you put them on a plate, pour those juices over to make them even more succulent, and then get stuck in.